In the food industry, most suppliers use 1D barcodes. These barcodes are either GS1 compliant, which is the global standard, or non-GS1 compliant, which is a custom format unique to each supplier. The NOUVEM software easily handles both formats. Let's take a look at how this works. GS1 barcodes use application identifiers, AIs, to act as a universal key. For instance, 01 identifies the GTIN or unique product ID, 11 provides the production date, 3102 tells the system the net weight in kilograms, 21 identifies the unique serial number for that case. Because these are standard, NOUVEM can decode them instantly without need for manual setup. When a label doesn't follow GS1, the barcode is just a long string of numbers. To get the weight or batch, we have to manually parse the data within NOUVEM. First, we enter in a new supplier label. Then we enter in the starting and ending position for the value we want to identify from the label. For the slaughtered in value, we map the numeric identifier, EC879, to starting position 14 and ending position 18. We repeat the process for any information we need to map from the label like weight and supplier batch number. Once this map is created for a supplier, the software decodes that proprietary string into usable data every time it's scanned.
So how does NOUVEM work when scanning different supplier barcodes?
Functionally, it works perfect. Anything that comes through that say we don't yet have a compliant or anything like that, as long as the weights, the pack date or the use by date, and the serial number is on there, we can set it up in our barcode parsing and set it up from scratch.
The global standard or a custom label, NOUVEM gives you the flexibility to maintain 100% accuracy and speed.